Some belated congratulations are in order to Chelsea Football Club and all the Chelsea fans on winning the Champions League and blah, blah, blah. But more urgently, we need to put this GOAT argument about Pep Guardiola to rest. Now, first of all, the term GOAT means greatest of all time. But sorry, Pep Guardiola is not the GOAT of football coaching. He's a good but overrated coach that people gas up because of the flashy football his teams play and the amount of league titles his star-studded teams win. Guardiola is no magical tactician. For his entire career, he has coached 3 teams, Barcelona, Bayern Munich, and now Manchester City. Those teams were winning titles before Pep and have continued to win titles after Pep. None of the titles won by any of these teams is because of Pep. Them win them despite of Pep. This so-called GOAT has only won the Champions League twice at Barcelona, with arguably the best group of club players ever assembled, including Lionel Messi, big Bayern Munich, big rich Manchester City, billions of dollars spent, and 10 years on, and this GOAT cannot even smell the Champions League again. What this man do to be called GOAT? What? Well, let me tell you this. See Pep there right now. You see the GOAT there? See the GOAT there? Curry GOAT. See the curry GOAT there?